Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth connecting issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn off Bluetooth mode and turn on Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart phone, just click on hot side power button and volume down button and you will see restart phone from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset and click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth connecting issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.